Hey everyone, welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, you'll watch a professional office conversation between a client and Alex, who is presenting a digital marketing strategy. This dialogue is perfect for improving your English communication skills in formal settings like meetings, client calls, and presentations. You'll learn useful phrases, business vocabulary, and how to respond confidently in corporate discussions. So, grab a notebook and let's dive into this real-life office scenario. That concludes the overview of our digital marketing strategy for the upcoming quarter. I'd love to hear your thoughts, Mr. Patel. Thanks, Alex. That was quite informative. I like the structure and the clarity, but I do have a few questions. Of course, fire away. First off, you mentioned a 20% increase in organic traffic within 3 months. What's that based on? Good question. That projection comes from the performance we saw with a similar client in the retail sector. We implemented a content-heavy SEO strategy along with keyword optimization, and within 12 weeks, their organic traffic rose by 22.4%. Your company operates in a slightly different niche, but based on current analytics and search trends, we believe a 20% growth is realistic. All right, makes sense. And about the paid ads section, you suggested a budget of $8,000 for the initial month. That seems a bit high for us. Can you explain the ROI we might expect? Absolutely. That $8,000 includes both Google ads and targeted social media campaigns. Based on similar campaigns we've run, the average return on ad spend has been around 3.5x. So for every dollar spent, clients saw about $3.50 in revenue. For your business model, we're estimating a conservative 2.8x return in the first month as we fine-tune targeting. Got it. We're okay with spending if we see results, but we'll definitely want to review performance weekly. That's perfectly reasonable. In fact, we already schedule weekly performance review calls with all active clients. We'll share a live dashboard with real-time data, and I'll personally walk you through the numbers during our check-ins. Great. Now, I noticed you've placed a strong focus on video content. Why that specifically? Good observation. We've seen a shift in consumer behavior. Short-form video content tends to get more engagement, especially on platforms like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. For your industry, we believe educational videos and behind-the-scenes content can significantly boost brand credibility. Interesting. But we don't have an in-house video team. That's totally fine. We can handle video production for you, from scripting to editing. All we'd need is raw footage from your team. Maybe some walkthroughs or quick interviews. We'll take care of polishing it up and optimizing it for each platform. Okay. We'll need to check if we have the bandwidth for that on our side. Of course. We can also do a test run. Just one video, see how it performs. No long-term commitment. Fair enough. What about email marketing? I didn't hear much about that in your presentation. Good point. I left it out of the main deck because I wanted to focus on strategies that could make an immediate impact. But we do recommend a bi-weekly email campaign, especially for your existing customer base. We can help segment your list and design a sequence that focuses on re-engagement and upselling. All right, that sounds valuable. We haven't done much with email lately. Exactly. So, it's a channel with a lot of untapped potential. Even a small improvement in open and click-through rates can lead to significant revenue over time. Okay, last question. How soon can you get started if we give the green light? We're ready to go as soon as you are. After signing the agreement, we'll have a 2-day onboarding period where we gather all the assets, access, and approvals needed. From there, you'll get the first performance update within 10 business days. All right, Alex, this has been helpful. Let me take all this back to my team, and I'll get back to you by the end of the week. Sounds good, Mr. Patel. Thank you again for your time. And if any other questions pop up, feel free to email or call me directly. Will do. Talk soon. Looking forward to it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.